John Goh said, if you want to succeed in the world, you must make your own opportunities as you go on. You can commit no greater folly than to sit by on the roadside until someone comes along and invites you to ride with him to wealth or to influence. We have to own our own opportunities. The statement that opportunity only knocks once is wrong. There are opportunities that come across our path many times on a daily basis, and most of the time we don't even recognize it. The key is to recognize the opportunities that God puts in front of us and then to own them. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 4 says, he that observeth the wind shall not sow, and he that regardeth the clouds shall not reap. As thou knowest not what is the way of the Spirit, nor how the bones do grow in the womb of her that is with child, even so thou knowest not the works of God who maketh all. In the morning sow thy seed, and in the evening withhold not thine hand, for thou knowest not whether thou shalt prosper, either this or that, or whether they both shall be alike. Solomon is speaking of a farmer that is too cautious, waiting for the perfect time to do anything, and they will never come. To get anything accomplished, you can't wait for the perfect time or the perfect season. In verse 6, he begins to say, to seize the day. Each one of us need to resolve within ourselves that we need to seize the moments that God puts before us so that we can accomplish what he's called us to do. I just want you to remember this, that God has a miracle just for you. You have to trust in him, you have to believe in him, and then do what he places before you to do.